What is the requirement for importing rice into Saudi Arabia? Most of the people are asking me this question, so I thought better to make a video on this so that it will be easy for those who are importing rice or any food item. Almost similar requirement is from SFDA. First thing first, you should have FASA account, fasa.sa, which is written in the background. Then you have to open an account in SFDA, Saudi Food and Drugs Authority. Third thing, you will have to register your product into SFDA. All the videos are already mentioned in my channel. You can see after the product registration, you will have to get the warehouse license, which is a very important part. You should have one warehouse in Saudi Arabia, which is being registered by already approved by SFDA. Usually there are companies who are offering short storage in their warehouse. You can use those services as well, their services as well. So you will make a warehouse license. It will cost you approximate 5,000 Saudi Riyal as a Saddat fees. Once you will pay it, it depends on the size of your warehouse. Once you will pay that, then your license will be ready. After that, you have to what you have to do on your origin part, you have to do the lab test report from any CB organization, certified bodies, जो Saudi Arabia certified bodies. From there you have to do the product testing. Once they will make the test report, then your product will be easy to import Saudi Arabia. And once this is finished, then your supplier will make fumigation certificate for your product. They will do the fumigation certificate, and then they will make health certificate for your product. Once these all the products ready, three basic requirements which are required for all the shipments: invoice, packing list, and certificate of origin. These all products you will have to ready. After these all documents you have ready, then I have to tell you one more thing. Since SFDA has changed from FRCS to GHAD, so in previous system there was a requirement to send pre-notification to the broker account. From your SFDA account you were be able to register your broker, and then you were sending the pre-notification to them. Now in GHAD, since the system from 2024 is changed, the new website, there you don't need to send the notification nowadays. What you are doing, the broker will register all the product individually in their system, because import permission is not working at the moment right now. It's like it's in today is 24th November. Right now I tried many times for the import permission, it was not working. So what you can do, you can ask your custom broker. They will enter all the product individually in their bayan, and after that your product will be easy to clear and there will be no issue for clearance. Now I am going to tell you how you can make the packing of your rice in SFDA. Come on, let's check it out. Okay, so here you can see, here you have to enter your company logo. This is the bag of your rice. Let's suppose you are making the bag. Here you have to enter your company details. In this part you can either enter exported by or you can enter imported by. Let me zoom in. Here you can also make imported by and your company name, Saudi company name. Grade should be mentioned. Percentage should be there, 1% of broken percentage. Crop year also you have to mention. Weight, and then product of Pakistan or product of India or whichever country. Then this is the label which will be required to register your product. It should be in Arabic as well. You can see fat percentage, everything is mentioned. This barcode, you can enter any barcode as per your product requirement, and here it will be your logo, and it will state that 1121 steam kernel basmati, or it will state that basmati rice, sela rice, creamy sela rice. So this is what you have to prepare. It should be Arabic, should be written, grams should be written, nutrition fact per 100 grams or whatever. Expiry date is a must in your labels. There should be expiry date, size of grains, and this is it. So I hope this video is helpful for those who wants to import. If you need any type of support in terms of custom clearance, freight forwarding, we are here for you. We are bringing and importing shipments from anywhere in the world to Saudi Arabia. Thank you.